Hola Desi people, ¿cómo estás? Please subscribe to Desi in US. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Desi in US. In today's episode, we want to concentrate on budget-friendly home gardening. Actually, we are doing this because for our first two videos of home gardening series, we have received comments from viewers and well-wishers that it would be great if we can concentrate more on budget-friendly and cost-effective ways of growing plants at home. So that encouraged us to make this video. Basically, in this video, we're trying to show how to grow plants at your home with the items available in your house. If you see here, I've chosen 4 carrots, and the common point with all these 4 carrots is that the carrot top is intact. So generally whenever you want to sow carrots from carrots, all you need to do is, like, whenever you cook carrot, so you will cut this top and throw this part away. Instead, what we are suggesting is, like, you can sow this carrot top and you can get a new carrot. So basically I'm trying to take 4 carrots because the custom pot that we are going to make today can hold 4 carrots for growing from scratch. So I can use this for making curry, and I can use this for growing carrots. You can make custom made pot or container at your home itself with the waste cardboard and waste plastic bag. Economical. No, not from there, from under. Don't expose soil directly to.
No, I saw some videos, it's fine from what I saw.
Okay.
I mean, either way, it's just because if we put it this way,
It is easy to handle also.
no, but then like the water and the soil, yeah,
It cannot go outside, you are saying?
it would go outside.
If you keep it this way, it won't go outside. Or, of course, when it comes to water going outside, either way it won't go outside. And all we have to do is to add the potting mix or the soil into the custom made pot. What about the, like, are we planning to add sand until top, or
No, just half.
in that case, like, the shadow will come, right? Sunlight won't come from the sides.
No, I mean, it's like when the sun is on top. I mean, it's not like if you can see, it's almost at the top because the carrot would be on the top as well. So, I mean, this much should be good enough. Again, it's an experiment.
I have one more doubt, like, can we reuse the potting mix
Yeah.
n number of times, right?
Yeah, I don't think the soil can go
For
bad.
example, carrot, potato, they
Yeah.
grow
Under.
under the sand.
Yeah.
So you can use the same sand and pot for growing another plant also. Of course, you need to maintain 6 inches difference, something like that.
Yeah. I mean, like different pots have different ways to grow.
Correct.
So I'm not sure if we can mix and match multiple
Yeah,
everything together.
At least maybe once we get the expertise, then we can do such
Oh
a
yeah.
And one more thing that you can observe right now is even this sprinkler is custom made. Like they just kept some holes onto the cap, and it's a normal water bottle, and we are using it as a sprinkler. Custom made pot and custom made sprinkler. This lockdown is teaching us many out of the box thinking ways that would save you money and time. Of course, when I say time, I mean the time that you spend for shopping. The current step that he is doing is making space for sowing carrot. And talking about carrot, could you please show the top root? So as you know, carrot grows under the ground, and if you see here, you should make sure that the carrot has the top portion intact with the root. That way you can cut the bottom portion of the carrot and have 1 inch spaced carrot and sow inside the sand. And make sure that there is a space between the edges and where you sow. That way, like, it will have a lot of space. And meanwhile he sows those carrots, let me give you some pro tip. So for those who feel that their house doesn't have a proper soil, or their backyard doesn't have a useful soil to grow plants, you can purchase this potty mix, so that way you can grow plants. So I'm in assumption that we can use this potty mix on the ground and on the pots as well. So could you please correct me if I'm wrong, Jimit?
Yeah, usually there is different soil for ground itself or for garden. So you need to bring garden soil if you want to do this in your garden.
Oh, okay. Those plants twice as big. Sounds interesting. Looks like we are good with the carrots. You know what, even this custom made pot looks cute. Especially after sowing those carrots. I'm not sure of the height.
Let's see if they grow. If they grow, then we can use a bigger pot.
So, which means that we are going to sacrifice one of these carrots. Like, we'll pull out one of the carrots after a few days or weeks and see if it is growing. That way, we'll at least learn something.
Yep.
Mr. Carrot, you need to flourish and grow well, so that someday you will fill my tummy. Now let us see the status of cilantro and celosia plants that we planted earlier weeks. This week I have an interesting update to share with you guys. So the plant that we sow, cilantro, in our first episode, actually it is not doing well, and the leaves were dead, so we had to cut most of the leaves, and we are still hoping that at least this remaining plant will grow, but there is no signs of growth so far. Coming to celosia plant, it's doing well, and all the leaves are intact and they're doing good. Please subscribe to our channel Desi in US.